Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to schedule meeting in Google Meet. Alright, so let's get started. So the first step is to go to Google Calendar. I'm just going to head on to Google Calendar and then log into your account. Alright, so now what you have to do is select the date that you want the meeting to happen. So I'm just going to select December 15 and here. Okay, so now you have to give the meeting title. So I'm just going to give a simple title over here. Alright, so here this is our time. You can set the time over here. So I'm just going to set from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. Alright, so what you can do is you can add guests over here and you can add the location as well. So the next step is to add Google Meet video conferencing. So I'm just going to add over here, and this is our meeting link. So that you have more options over here. So what you can do is over here you can add the description of the meeting. So I'm just going to give a simple description. And right over here on the guest side you can add some guests, and that's it. So you can just give the notification as well. And this is our Google Meet link. You can copy this link over here and you can manage the permission over here by clicking the settings icon over here. Alright, so once you have done that, all you have to do is click on save, and there you go. This is our event and it has been saved. So let's reload it, and yes, as you can see, this has been saved over here. Now all you have to do is send this link to the person. I'm just going to copy this link. Alright, so I'm just going to select this link and copy. There you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.